OpenDurian is a startup company and expert in education technology. OpenDurian faces the issue of validating the money transfer, as their system will not be able to retrieve the data where the money is transferred from. Their manual retrieval of data results in a lot of additional work hours, which leads to the delay of product delivery. We are interested to create an automated system to validate the money transfer and retrieve data for large transactions that could let users utilize the money transferring data. We call the automated system as Athena. First, OpenDurian receives money transfer information. OpenDurian sends money transfer information to Athena for verifying the money transfer information. Finally, Athena sends the verify status to OpenDurian. When OpenDurian sends money transfer information to Athena, the money transfer information was sent to API gateway to connect. Lambda function upload slip to S3. Lambda function upload slip to S3 sent the name of money transfer slip in AWS S3 to Lambda function verify slip for verifying the money transfer information. Lambda function verify slip sent the money transfer slip to AWS recognition for getting transfer reference ID in money transfer slip. Lambda function verify slip sent transfer reference ID to API of the bank named KBank API. KBank API sent the response data. The response data have a date, time, and amount of money transfer. Lambda function verify slip verify response data and sent verify the status to the customer. Athena improved company analytical strategies to the verified payment system have increased more accurately and fast to verify. Before, OpenDurian verifies payment by transfer payment in 24 hours, but Athena verifies payment in 8 to 10 seconds. Customers are more satisfied because we can deliver quickly. Storage transactions have increased speed. Increasing employee efficiency because storage transactions time have decreased and reduced employment costs. All of this is part of verify the transfer information by a slip. Next, we will talk about the part of infrastructure. In the first step, the user has the bank transfer and uploads money transfer slips via an OpenDurian web application. After OpenDurian sends data inbound via AWS Internet Gateway to the Athena system under AWS VPC. Then, the traffic inbound to the application load balance for front-end and AWS API Gateway for back-end. The application load balance forwards to AWS EC2 auto-scaling group and has SSL certificate from AWS Certification Manager on port 443 TCP. The Athena hosted on AWS EC2 auto-scaling for front-end and AWS Lambda for back-end. The Athena system sends and gets data to KBank API by verifying the money transfer slip by AWS Lambda. AWS Lambda put the money transfer slip to AWS S3. And AWS Lambda invoke AWS recognition for getting transfer reference ID in money transfer slip. If the Athena system fails to verify the money transfer slip by AWS Lambda, it shows the log on AWS CloudWatch. Next, we will talk about the part of the development architecture. The steps to development. Our team uses GitHub and AWS Lambda to develop the Athena system. And use GitHub Webhook, AWS Code Pipeline, AWS Code Build and AWS Code Deploy. We use Docker Container to run Athena front-end application. AWS Code Build builds front-end image of the Athena system from GitHub source code. And when build finishes, AWS Code Build pushes the image to AWS ECR. The AWS Code Deploy deploys image to EC2 auto-scaling group. All of that is the current development of Athena. Also, we think about the scalability. We are think to solve about customers' payment pain points. Updated user interface and user experience in a part of the payment transfer. The change part of display payment ID to display QR payment. We think to amplify the income sources by increased other banks like SCB and etc. We think that we will develop a dashboard to show information and manual verify transactions to make it easier to monitor the company's revenues. If the Athena system fails to verify the money transfer slip, AWS CloudWatch will alarm and trigger to AWS Simple Notification Service, SNS, sends mail to team verify transactions and team developer by subscription. That they can see failure on a Tenna dashboard or developer can see failure on AWS console. Thank you for watching and enjoy your experience with Team HelloWorld. Today using Tenna.